What's important? When you run a business, you are focused on security, because we know that nowadays, to let anyone access our internal Wi-Fi, it's a risky move. They can steal our data, they can upload malware, they can do whatever they want. So to combat this, we provide dual LAN. What this means? On the one hand, right now, Multiboard is connected to our main Wi-Fi. As you can see, right here. Besides that, Multiboard is also running a hotspot. So you can share your files through the internal Wi-Fi, also allowing your customers or visitors to share their screen without giving them access to your network. From Android and Windows devices, you need the application. From macOS and iOS, all you need is just to click the share button.